Hey, look, it's a half-naked tree.
Yeah, so cool. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, so cool. Not.
What? Hello. We're out for a walk.
Huh? Nice.
Enjoying the sun instead of being all cooped up out inside the house.
I'm not.
You're not what?
Also, the sign said no jogging and no running on this nature trail because it's made out of rocks.
Yeah. Look.
Let's not go on that giant hill down there. Not just for YouTube.
Ah, look at that. You want to go jump in there and get a nice, a nice clean drink of water there?
No, that's not clean. Do it again.
Here. Ready? Thank you.
And for your sister with all this back. Alright, I'll sit down on it like it said here.
It says sit a while and fill your senses with all of nature's beauty.
Ooh. All of nature's beauty. One there, one there.
There is no nature there.
Whoa, look how big that tree is.
Hey,
Look, look, go up there.
Nature's booty.
Nature's booty?
Yeah, this is nature's booty. I have a rock.
Well, the path has a lot of them.
Wait, actually no. This is actually nature's facial hair or nature's hair. Wait, how much?
Here.
They're fireworks. Hey, camera. I'm going to throw this rock at you.
Please stay on the nature trail. No collecting of any plants or animals. Well, we didn't collect anything.
Yeah.
But you didn't stay on the trail.
Well, I don't think it was recording because it was off.
Calling the DNR.
Okay.
I thought that was like a weird spot.
I've never been out here. This beach is so big.
Hey.
Well, this isn't a beach.
Where do we go? Oh, someone's been here, but they ate it. No. Someone sank in that. Can I fill the water?
No.
You go in the water, Daddy. You go in the water, Mommy. I'm on the trail. That is the trail.
This is the trail.
You can swim over there, but then it's just a big circle. I'm getting way too hot. Ow. Don't touch any of those. Why?
Any of these?
Yeah, any of those. I touched it and nothing got onto me. It hurts.
No, this is not. This doesn't hurt. Look, I'm holding it. Do you think it's gonna hurt?
Yes. I want to take one.
No, you can't take one. It says not to.
Whoa!
Rule breaker!
Which way? Oh, I'm there. I want to go in there.
Wait.
I just farted.
Wait, what did
Put
you
that
do?
on the video?
What did you do?
I farted.
I can't hear you. What'd you say?
I farted.
You guys are embarrassing.
Why?
Moving out in nature. You're embarrassing me.
Hey, guess what? I'm gonna throw a rock in there.
Go ahead. Let's see. Well, get closer. Go ahead.
Here?
Yep.
My turn.
Go ahead.
Go on your little duck.
Yeah. Let's go on our duck. Wait, maybe this This is like a challenge to see how far we can throw them. Yeah. Who can throw theirs farther?
Daddy can. This is a new water aerobics.
Wait, how about we all run this way? It's bending.
How about I throw you in?
Yikes.
I thought you were going to actually help me.
Do it again.
No! No! So fast! No!
Give me your hands.
My hand! Why is it not vibrating? Everyone jump! Jump!
More like right here.
Oh my.
Oh, water's coming down.
Water's
Okay, come on.
This is how we get kicked out of the metro parks for life.
Oh, you do it past the water. Come on, guys.
Wait, hold on. I'm gonna get one more rock.
Ready?
Wait! He's jumping! Oh my! It's coming through!
Come on.
He actually is coming through.
What are you doing?
Collecting rocks. Getting rocks so I can throw them. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rocks. I'm standing in No.
Hey, watch this. Ready?
No! No!
Come on, let's go. Next one.
This one is the furthest. Daddy, do you want to be cool? Because I can make you cool.
By getting me wet?
Right there near the log.
Come on.
I guess we just found some geese right there.
Right there. Geese. Try not to disturb them.
Okay.
Those are big.
There's another one back there moving around.
A snake? Oh, a snake.
I know. Oh, let's come closer.
A snake. Right there. See it?
Oh, yeah.
This is not editing.
Stay still. You wanted your python, Henry? There's a snake. Alright, we're gonna let it be, okay? Just look. Hey, what do you think about that snake?
Here's cool. That's what Mama said.
It's a cool walk today, huh?
Yeah.
Cool walk in the nature center.
Dad, you're gonna have to pay for something.
What do I have to pay for?
To making your video too long.
I can edit it. You are just too adorable. Hey, look. It's a half-naked tree.
Yeah, so cool. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, so cool. Daddy, not.
What?
Daddy, I dare you to walk across that log.
No, well, I can't walk across it. It goes in the water.
I'm saying like walk a few inches.
A few inches, that's 1 foot. 1 step.
1 step.
That is so cool. Look at that over there.
Hey, yeah, so cool. Yeah, so cool. Yeah, so cool. Not. Daddy, algae. Algae.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I see. Look at all the algae.
The blue stuff.
Whoa, it's like, welcome to the jungle. Whoa.
Daddy, you Daddy.
Yes.
You have to go in my pocket with all the rocks.
What's in there? What? You're stealing all those rocks. What are you doing?
Daddy.
Yes.
So basically, there's an animal called a purple martin, and basically when it's in the shade, it's black, and basically when it's in the sun, it's purple.
Really?
Yeah.
That's interesting. Oh, yeah, go ahead. What does it say?
No dogs, no running, no bikes, no fishing.
Well, does it say that we can't throw little boys in the water?
No.
It doesn't? Okay, let's go. Whoa, look at this long dock.
No, it's a bridge.
Oh, it's a bridge? Where do you think this is going?
Like to the other side of there.
Whoa. Do you see what's way over there?
The ocean. Yeah, so cool, so cool. Not cool.
Whoa, come on.
Oh,
It's really cool. Throw you.
No. Oh, why would you throw us in a bunch of algae? Wait, hold on. Why would you throw us in a bunch
I'm just teasing. Whoa. Look out over there.
Look at, there's so much algae. I like those things that we saw earlier.
Yeah, there is.
There's so much algae in the water. Oh my gosh. I will run. I'm running.
You can run.
No, can't run.
Oh, yeah. What did it say?
No running.
That's right.
It didn't say you can't throw your little brother in.
Oh, look, watch this. Whoa. It's like a jungle in here.
Yeah, it is.
Whoa.
Don't drop the ball.
Got it.
I'm looking for any things that could go in the water.
Like you.
Then throw me in there. Do it. Daddy, throw me in there.
Throw you in there?
Yeah, do it. No. Ah! Ah! Stop. Don't for real do it. Whoa.
Come on.
Daddy.
I'm coming.
What?
We can walk on the rails.
Yeah. I'm just going to kind of walk in the puddle.
No.
You can't walk through here.
What? Oh, yeah, Daddy is. Go, Daddy, go.
Oh,
That whole way?
look, it's kind of flooded.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can do.
I'm not walking through it.
I am.
You don't have to walk through it.
How are people over there? What?
What other side?
Down there.
We couldn't go through that, though.
I'm not going to go through it. Hey, look. We are going to go up that hill.
That down there.
Even though
Can we roll down it?
you really can't see it. That's a bit of a hill. So
Daddy, can we
you can
roll
run up
down
it and then roll down it?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get you running up it and rolling down. Don't run yet. But yeah.
Pretty far.
We'll see you up the hill.
This is pretty far, Dad.
Okay, guys. So we were over there, but as you can see, this is a huge thing of a big ditch full of water. So we had to walk all the way around, but here the hill is. Okay. You guys ready to run up that hill?
Yeah, but how? Because there's a bunch of stuff around.
We're just gonna run as fast as you. Oh, look at the trail over this side. See right here?
Yeah, right there.
Just gonna run up it as fast as you can.
Okay.
Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Faster, faster. Mush, mush. Faster. Keep going. Wow. Go.
I'm like, fine. I'll go. We have to roll. It's our only hope. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's going to hit. It's my turn. Get set. Go. Oh my God.
Keep going.